If you've ever tried doing hot pot at home and ended up with a crowded table, uneven cooking, and a sink full of impossible to clean cookware afterward, this might be exactly the kind of upgrade you've been looking for. Most electric hot pots either feel too small for real family meals, or they overcomplicate something that should honestly be simple and fun. Today we're checking out the Aoran 6-liter electric hot pot, and this one stands out because it's clearly designed for people who actually want to use it regularly, not just once during the holidays. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing you notice is the size. A 6-liter capacity sounds like a spec on paper, but in real use, it means you can comfortably feed a family or a group of friends without constantly refilling the pot every 10 minutes. The divider design is honestly one of the smartest features here because it solves a very real problem. If one person likes spicy broth and someone else wants something milder, you can run both at the same time without needing two separate pots cluttering the table. It makes the whole experience feel more social and less chaotic. The overall design is pretty clean and modern. The black finish gives it a more premium look than a lot of cheaper electric cookers that tend to look overly plastic or toy-like. The die-cast aluminum body also gives it a solid feel when you pick it up. It doesn't feel flimsy, and that matters because appliances like this usually get moved around a lot during dinners and gatherings. The non-stick coating is another major plus because ingredients slide around easily instead of burning and sticking to the bottom after a long cooking session. What I really like is that the features actually translate into everyday convenience. The even heat distribution means you don't get random cold spots where food takes forever to cook. Whether you're making shabu, noodles, dumplings, seafood, or even just a quick soup night, it heats consistently across the surface. That sounds small, but it changes the experience a lot when everyone at the table can cook at the same pace. Noise and cleanup are also areas where this thing does surprisingly well. Some electric cookers produce annoying buzzing or excessive steam that makes indoor cooking uncomfortable, especially in smaller kitchens or apartments. This one stays relatively quiet, and the smokeless design genuinely helps reduce that heavy cooking smell lingering in the room afterward. Cleanup is probably one of its strongest selling points. Since the surface is non-stick, most residue wipes away quickly instead of requiring soaking or aggressive scrubbing. After a full meal, that convenience matters way more than most people expect. The included accessories are also practical instead of feeling like cheap filler. You get a ladle, tongs, oil brush, skimmer, sponge, and food tongs, which basically means you can start cooking immediately without buying extra tools. For beginners getting into hot pot cooking at home, that's actually a nice touch because it lowers the setup hassle. Now, it's not perfect. Because of the large size, it does take up a decent amount of table or counter space. So if you live in a very small apartment or only cook for one person, it may feel oversized. Also, while the divider is useful, some people may wish the temperature controls were a bit more customizable for each side independently. Both sections still share the same heating system, so it's not fully dual-zone cooking. Compared to similarly priced electric hot pots from brands like Bear or Aroma, the Aoran model feels more focused on group dining and versatility rather than just basic boiling. A lot of cheaper options either skip the divider entirely or use thinner materials that don't distribute heat as evenly. This one feels more durable and better suited for regular use instead of occasional dinners. Overall, I think this is best for families, couples who entertain often, or anyone who loves hot pot nights without turning the kitchen into a mess afterward. If you want something compact for quick solo meals, there are probably smaller and cheaper options that make more sense. But if your goal is creating an easy, social cooking experience at home, this does a really solid job. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews that focus on real, everyday use instead of marketing hype. And if you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is waiting for you in the description below before it goes out of stock again.